Alright, guys, so let's go back and talk about Bitcoin and all the other cryptos here. I just got back, so bear with me, guys. Looking to sell Bitcoin again. Like I said, there's just so much consolidation, so don't get too cut off here. Looking to sell Bitcoin back to 27,000. That's what I'd be looking at. Looking to sell Ethereum at back to 1,700. We'll highlight here. Narrowing it down, there's a lot of consolidation first, a lot of tight, narrow prices, and also the zone structures are just very similar throughout the past week. So they're trying to make a move back up even higher, but I'm looking to short these coins back down. Litecoin, I'm looking for Litecoin to come back down to 90, back down to 89. We're going to short Shiba back down to at the support price of 0.001006. Looking for Dogecoin to come back down. Let's see here, looking for a move back down to 7 cents. Right around here, 7 cents. Let me highlight here. Yeah, that's what I'd be looking at. This move here, 7 cents. Tezos, looking for Tezos to come back down to $1. There's a lot of consolidation so far, so it is stuck in this price zone for a while now. It's already at $1.10, but looking for it to come back down to $1.05 to $1. Looking for Ripple to come back down to 49 to 48 cents, and then maybe possibly back down to 47 to 45 cents. Neo, looking for Neo come back down to 1150 to 1140. Looking for Dash to come back down to $56 to 55. Solana, looking for Solana to come back down and break the support price at $20 to $19. Zcash, looking for Zcash to come back down to 36 to 35. That should do it. That should do it. So I know that went pretty fast here. Just don't, I'm really excited. I mean, I wouldn't get too caught because there's just so much consolidation, and I wouldn't want to I want to go too crazy on all these trades and positions. Like I said, they've just been maneuvering around the same price structure, a lot of tight narrow price zones, and they're trying to break resistance for a newer high, but also at the same time they're just creating more resistance. So just don't get too caught up here on what could possibly happen for, we're in April, but like I said, I don't want to get too caught up on this. And so just going off the daily charts here, not too crazy yet. They're trying to make a move back up. So we might end up, oh, dang, Dogecoin just shot up. So I had it here, Dogecoin just shot right back up here. So I look at that move though. So Dogecoin just shot up while I was talking because I said we was going to sell it. Look at this pump and dump, dude. This is nuts. So it's on daily. So anyways, any questions or concerns, hit me up, and then we will see where everything goes. But Dogecoin is trying to pump his market right now, though. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the chat group. All right, guys. So just got back about an hour ago. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys the analysis. Let's talk about this right now. So I'm just gonna run into the daily charts for you guys. Really no point going to the weekly chart here. US dollar trying to come back up and gain support here at the 102. I'll highlight right here at the 102 price. Looking for a move to go back to 103 if this sustains support. So that's what I'm looking at right now and buying the US dollar for retracing back up to 103. So it's all going to be on the daily chart. There's no point rushing anything back to the weekly charts here. US 30 losing a lot of resistance before here, but starting to come back down. I'm looking for a same move, just like what it did here at 33,500. Shifting gears into selling US 30 back to 33,400. 33,200. We'll see if it ends up going back to maybe 33,000 if it comes back that far down. So I'm gonna highlight right here. So it's starting to come back. trickling back down here. Looking to short and looking to short S&P 500 back to 4,000. But that's a big move, right? So it's 100 points there. So breaking it down every 20 points, like 4,080, 4,000, 4,060, 4,040, 4,020. So breaking it down every 20 point structure here. This is a spinning top formation here from what, if you guys read the candlestick Bible. So doji candle spinning top, creating this first line of resistance here, 4,100. So it went all the way up to 4,130. We can short this back down. NAS coming back down, looking for NAS 100 NASDAQ to come back down to 13. No, under 13, 13,000, and then break 13,000 to 12,900. Looking for that to switch gears. Gold is creating a lot of resistance, same resistance price at the 1990. Now it's sitting at 1985 right now. Looking for it to come back down to 1980 to 1975, and then maybe a move back to 1960. So see how that all plays out. UJ losing steam. This pair is on its own. So there's a lot of consolidation between 134 to 130. So I'm gonna narrow this down right here. From 134 to narrow even for to 130. So a lot of zone structure here at now it's in between 132, looking for it to come back down to 132, and we'll see if it breaks 132 back down to 131. So usually it's on its own. I won't get too caught up on this one. Euro coming back down, a lot of resistance at the 109. 109, something like this. Looking for it to come back down to 108. 108, 5, 108, 6. See if it comes back down and break the 108 structure price to down to 107. So I'll be looking at Euro GBP. Still in this price zone. So I'm gonna move this down here. At the 88. So looking for a move back to shift gears back up, buying Euro GBP to 88. And then we'll see if it breaks 88 back to 88.5. The pound, there's a lot of resistance. I'm going to highlight this right now. A lot of resistance here. Previously, we always highlight the top of the price here. A lot of resistance, right? I'm going to move this right here. So there's a lot of resistance here at the 124. Can't even break above 124. We're looking to short it back down to 123. That's what I'd be looking at. Breaks 123, then the next move would be back to 122. So I'm just hopping in, trying to go forward for the future and the market anticipation for going forward for the rest of the day for Monday, and then going forward for tomorrow for Tuesday. Let's see, U-Swiss at the buying U-Swiss, looking for U-Swiss to U-Swiss is building this support right here at the 91. Looking forward to come back to 91.5 and break. See if it would come back to test 92. Would be like a final target for 92. UCAD. I'm looking to buy UCAD for a pullback retracement for tonight all the way till tomorrow morning. I know UCAD is still trending down pretty hard here, so don't get too caught up. But that's what I'd be looking at for UCAD to retrace back up to 130, 134.5 in the middle, and then the second target would be 135. All right, so let's go here. Move this out. Looking to sell Australia and New Zealand dollar. They've been going up quite a bit already, especially Australia. So looking for Australian dollar to come back to 67 And then looking for New Zealand to come back down to 62.5 and 62.5 first, and then to 62. I'm gonna highlight again for Australia. Looking for it to come back down here in the middle first. Right here, 67.5, and then the next move will be 67. If it doesn't break 67, I would cash out from there. Other than that, looking for a retracement buy for US dollar for by the end of by the end of the day, all the way till tonight, and we'll see what happens for London sessions in the morning. So, and any questions, let me know. I'm just going off the daily charts here for you guys, and then go back in daily charts again. All right.